Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Mazda CX-9. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors in the camera, and this CX-9 is all-wheel drive. A look in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this CX-9 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.